I'm Ofer Friedman and freshly nominated Chief Business Development Officer of AU10TIX. Very simple. We are the ones who are automating the onboarding and KYC for probably most of the names you would come up first when you think about companies who are moving money or creating global networks that are regulated. It actually works. Well, I would say that the market is becoming quite crowded because obviously the need of everyone to automate as much as possible, and obviously a small bottleneck called customer onboarding and KYC wouldn't hurt that much. We're simply lucky enough to have come with a technology which, because of our roots, simply has better conversion rates than anyone else, as validated by our own clients, and also actually detects fraud and not just reads data of documents as the normal practice is. Well, we just got invested in. Our value has become $250 million. We just won a couple of clients you know very well. Sorry, I cannot name them because it's just between me and you. But we basically tripled in almost any sense of business. And we have a new coffee machine in the office. Well, I'm a veteran of Lendit, and that's why, from my point of view, it's partially a reunion with people who are stubborn enough not to do business with me until now, but will do it in the near future. But also to see the new up and coming. It's kind of changing a little bit along the years, as let's say Eastern Europe is playing a little bit bigger role than earlier. Brits are a little bit intimidated by Brexit. So the kind of blend and requirements and also experience on how to choose solutions is a kind of changing. Much more peace of mind for the world. First of all, we diversified. If we began basically as an ID document processing or authentication company, we are now actually automating the complete end-to-end customer onboarding initiation, including everything you're familiar with and more. Actually, the entire technology is now, in a way, reinvented, because more and more, as we go global and we meet new clients or new markets, new types of fraud and new types of documents, more and more AI is coming into play in, let's say, more innovative ways. The reason is very simple. The weak link in customer onboarding is the customer. Whatever they're providing you is what you have to work with, which is why most of the regular solutions are actually not delivering high conversion rates, thus costing money and not solving automation. So the whole point is moving to the next step where usually regular solutions fail, and still our technology can know more, not just know what it's looking at and extract whatever information, but hunt for the type of fraud, which is now what's happening here, which you don't see. That's easy. I already booked for Money 2020, obviously. Asia is becoming a far stronger player than ever before. Actually, shadowing some of the events that used to be the gold standard. Asia is bypassing them. Also, the magnitude of businesses there is significant. And we are also eyeing Africa. Actually, we have African clients already, but it's pretty much a brave new world for anyone doing fintech or serving fintech in Europe or in the US. It's a different ballgame.